If you're going for that aggressive aesthetic when it comes to your build, this American Modified Shark Grille in matte black will be a great way to achieve that for your 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Now this will be great if you want more than just the average brow or the grille insert, giving your JK a total facelift and transforming the way that it looks with a lot of dynamic front end appeal. Now this will be a complete grille replacement and come with everything that you need in order to do the swap. Now with that being said, the design of this is going to take a very bold approach with the brow up at the top for that angry eye feel, and a more angled construction around the headlights is really going to complement that upper brow. Now the center of the grille here is really the star of the show. This is not only going to add that dynamic or more aggressive look to the front end of your Jeep, but it's also going to allow a lot of air in to your radiator and your AC condenser, keeping the temps down when it comes to your cooling system. Now this will be made of a molded thermoplastic material, being lightweight, strong, and resilient, which is a material that you would want to fight any kick-up on the road or any kick-up, branches, brush, or whatever else that your front end is coming in contact with off-road. Now the grille is also going to come in an unpainted or matte black finish, but because of the material here, this will be able to be prepped and painted to match whatever look you're going for. Now again, this will also come with absolutely everything that you need in order for a full replacement, so you don't have to worry about reusing the very tired hardware that we all know is on the JK. So new retainer clips, new pop clips for the top, and a new hood seal. Now the headlights and the turn signal cutouts are also going to be OE style, so they'll accept any factory or aftermarket lights that you pair with it. Now this will come in at about $200, which is pretty average for an upgraded grille. Now what I think I like most about grilles, and this one in particular, is that this is an incredibly easy way to completely change the way that your Jeep looks, especially if you want that more intimidating look to stand out. Now this one is, again, no exception and will do just that while being functional and customizable in the meantime, making it a great pick for your JK. Now install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done, but I wouldn't be surprised if we got it done a little bit sooner. Now at this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of the install step by step of how to get this onto your JK at home. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
For this install, you will need a clip removal tool, or if you don't have one of these, a flathead screwdriver will do. What's up guys, today we're going to be installing a new grille on our Wrangler, so let's get started. So first up, we're going to need to remove our factory grille, which is very simple. We're just going to remove our push pin clips holding the top of the grille in place. Go ahead and pull that out and we'll get started. So we're going to use our clip removal tool and go ahead and pop out our pins. Now that we have our clips out, we can go ahead and give our grille a firm tug and go ahead and pull it out. And we can go ahead and unplug our fog lights. Just pull back on our red safety tab here. Push down and remove them. And go ahead and do the same thing for the other fog light. So now that we have our grille out, we can go ahead and remove our factory fog lights and go ahead and swap them over to the new grille. So to do that, we're simply going to press in on these 2 tabs and go ahead and remove our fog light. And go ahead and do the same thing for your other fog light. Now we can go ahead and insert our fog lights into our new grille. Go ahead and slide them into place. Line them up with their slots. And wait to hear that snap to know that your clips are back in place. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the other fog light. Okay. Next, we can go ahead and grab our bag of supplied clips and pins and go ahead and install our 6 clips along the bottom here, 1 on each fog light mount and 4 along the bottom row here. So to do these, we're simply just going to push them into place. So next we're going to use our stock grill for reference to install our weather stripping onto our new grill. So we have them pretty much lined up with the headlights, and we can go ahead and match that up to our new set here, finding about the center. And then we'll go ahead and remove the backing on our adhesive strip. Go ahead and line that up with the front lip of your grill. And you can start on the edges or the center. It's going to be a little bit shorter. Go ahead and just give it a light press for now. And once you're happy with your fitment, go ahead and give it a more firm press so it'll hold into place. So now that we're ready to go back on with our new grill, we can go ahead and start by plugging our fog lights back in and then reinserting our tabs into the clips and go ahead and slide that back into place. Go ahead and reinsert your connector. So it clicks, and go ahead and slide your red safety tab back into place and do the same thing for your other fog light. Go ahead and line our clips up. And now we can go ahead and reinsert our push pins. Alrighty guys, that about wraps up our review and install of our American Modified Shark Grille in matte black finish for your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.